When I made a video about the Magnavox Smart TV, if you haven't seen the video, you'll find the links below. A lot of people wanted to know if this TV has Bluetooth function or if it can be connected and how it can be connected to the cell phone. Well, the answer is yes. The app is called eShare and it's even better than Bluetooth. For some who might have seen the app on their TV and don't know what it is, this app allows you to send content saved on the smart TV, let's say images, videos, music, documentation, etc. to the phone, and also works as a remote control for the TV. Hi YouTube, welcome back here, and for those who are returning to this channel, it's good to have you back. I'm Shibabs, and today we're going to see how to connect the Magnavox TV to the cell phone and use the eShare app. We'll start by making sure that we have the app installed on our cell phone, and if you don't have it installed, there are 3 ways to install it. 1. You either install it directly from the website http://h.eshare.app. 2. By scanning the QR code displayed on the TV, or you can just simply go to the Google Play Store, search for the app and download it. The application is compatible with both iOS and Android devices, and you won't have any problem with both systems. After downloading, we must make sure that both the cell phone and TV are connected under the same Wi-Fi. So you need to remember, if by any chance you don't get to connect the TV to your cell phone on the eShare, you might want to check your Wi-Fi connection and make sure that they're both connected under the same Wi-Fi setting. If not, it's probably not going to work. Now, once the eShare application has been installed, the app will ask you for access, all of which must be approved. If you don't grant access, it's more likely that the app won't work. The app will give you a description of your connected cell phone. That's so you can identify which device is being connected. If you don't have any connected, it will be done automatically. We're going to see 7 things that we can do with this app, and the first is this: you can stream any audio or video file to your TV. Looking at the app, right here on top we have directory. This is everything that is on your cell phone. You're going to find everything on your cell phone. You can just go directly and look for a particular file and open it from here. We also have image right here, music, video, and document. Image allows you to share any image on TV. We can turn them vertically or just leave them horizontal depending on the orientation of your cell phone, or if you want to. So for example, let's just go here. Let's choose this for example. And you can see it projected on the TV. Right here below, you've got 4 icons. 1, you can just turn it around, leave it vertically or horizontally. There's a 180-degree flip. There is a 90-degree flip also. And if you just want to leave it to play, you can just leave it. It will start changing the images by itself without you having to interact with your cell phone. So stop. Let's go back. Audio or music allows you to share audio files on TV. Here you can pause or play, as well as raise or lower the volume. For example, let's just choose something that's probably not gonna cause copyright. This. With your cell phone, volume up or volume down, you can control the volume. Just volume up or volume down. Okay, let's choose another one just in case. So let's just play this. Volume. This is the volume. Volume up or volume down. You can pause it forward and then you can go back. You can even shuffle. Video allows you to share any video format on your television. You can select any video you have on your cell phone and project it to the television. From here, we can pause, advance, or delay the video. So let's go. Let's just choose this video just in case. and you see it's projected to the television. On top here, we can increase the volume or decrease the volume. We can forward to the next video. Choose another video, go back, forward again. Of course, right here, documents allow you to share documents on TV. Right here below, the app also has 4 additional functions of things that can be done on the TV. We have TV mirror, mirroring, camera, and remote. Starting with mirroring. Mirroring allows you to mirror the TV screen on your cell phone. I mean, get everything that's on your TV screen, you see it on your cell phone. It works, like a touch screen, but you're directly going to control everything that's on the TV. For example, if I want to go here, I just click on it and then you see it. If I want to come to applications, I just control everything directly from my cell phone, but looking at everything that's on the screen. Video, same thing. Music, sport, and etc. Let's go back. Next function is mirroring. So one thing is TV mirror, the other thing is mirroring. Mirroring allows you to reflect your cell phone screen on your TV. So if you come here where it says mirroring, you click on this. eShare is going to let you know that all information or everything that you look at on your cell phone is going to be broadcasted on the TV so that everyone will see it. So it's up to you to either approve or not. So let's just start now. And you can see everything I have projected on my screen. You can see everything on my cell phone screen projected to the TV screen. If we come here, for example, and we want to read an article, we can just read the article off the TV without any problem. We can also come down here. Let's look for, maybe we want to access a game or something. I come here and the game is projected to the TV and everybody can see the game. They can see what you're doing. Any application that you have here can be projected to the screen. Camera icon allows you to see your smartphone camera on the TV. If you click on camera, you're gonna see everything your cell phone is looking at will be projected to the TV. Also on the right hand, there are 3 icons. One of them is a microphone. You can either turn on or turn off the microphone there. And the other is the camera. You can turn the camera around. So if you want to project yourself to the TV, you just press on the camera icon and it's gonna turn it around and you'll be able to see yourself. The next function that this app has is using your cell phone or your smartphone as a remote control. Basically, with this app, you can control everything on the TV directly from the mobile device. Come here to remote, and right down here below, we can see 4 functions. One as a mouse, touch, keys, and apps. So let's see how this is going to work on the television, on the TV. When you activate mouse, well, mouse is already activated. You see on the screen, you can observe on the screen how the mouse moves. The same thing happens when using or when activating touch. You can also move it and choose whatever you want. As for keys, activating keys, we can either go up or down or even across on the TV screen. It's something very simple to use. So if we come down here, we're already down. You see where the blue icon there is. We go to the left. Let's say we want to see adjustments. We choose that one, we press OK, and we can adjust whatever we want to adjust. If you want to choose something else, another icon, just go to the right or to the left and then press OK and it will be done. Right down here below, we have this other icon to go back. Let's go back. That's going back on the screen, on the TV screen. Finally, we have apps. Apps will show you all the applications that are installed on the television, and you can just tap the app you want and it will immediately open on the TV screen. So let's just say we want to go to Google Play. I click on Google Play. and it opens the app. I can either use the mouse or the touch to choose whatever icon, whatever application I want to watch, or I just go to keys and then go left or right and then choose whatever application that I want. Way down here below, we have 4 other icons. The first one is basically home. The second one is to go back to the original screen on the TV. The next one is like a keyboard. The last one here is really interesting. It helps you control the sensitivity of your mouse. If you want a mouse to be faster, you just go here and then you control it from up here. If you want it to be slower, you control it from up here also. You can also control the volume from here, the volume of your TV directly from here. I hope you found this video useful and it gave you enough information about the Magnavox TV, but more importantly, the ESHARE app and how to use it. I appreciate your time watching it, and please let me know what your experience has been in the comments below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Ciao.